Meaning of dockland.
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 Dockland. Dockland refers to an area of land, typically located near a port or harbor, where docks or wharves are built for the loading and unloading of goods from ships. It is often characterized by warehouses, transportation infrastructure, and industrial activities related to shipping and logistics. Docklands are critical components of global trade and commerce, serving as vital hubs for the movement of goods between countries and regions. These areas also play significant roles in urban development, with many docklands being transformed into commercial, residential, and recreational spaces as cities evolve and grow.